Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers here with another RV parts showcase. Today we're going to be talking about the water pressure regulator. Very simple. This little piece of brass can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. What does it do? You hook this up to the city water hookup, okay? You hook it up, then you're going to take your drinking safe fresh water hose and hook it up to this. What does that prevent? It prevents your water lines from being blown apart. I've actually seen this firsthand on a trip out west. There was a campground we were staying at and they filled a water tank. That's where the water came from. It was up on a hill to make sure it could get to everybody, had enough pressure. One of the gentlemen real close to the tank though did not have a water pressure regulator. The pressure was so strong when he hooked up and turned on the water, it blew his lines apart inside his RV. Now he has hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage getting all those lines replaced, but also what about the potential water damage, right? His RV was absolutely flooded. It was really a bad situation. This very inexpensive little part could have prevented all of it. It can prevent it for you. So make sure again that you get a water pressure regulator. When you buy from RV Wholesalers, you get one in your starter kit. If you didn't buy from RV Wholesalers, you're like, hey, I need one of those. Go to our website, you can buy one, rvwholesalers.com, or give us a call, 877-877-4494. Ask for parts. We can ship you one out. And always make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. We have videos like this, videos on how to buy an RV, videos on how to use your RV, etc. It's a really great resource for you.